Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Ford Focus versus Ford Explorer crash test, which is better. Begin by focusing on overall crash ratings and category differences, then inspect structural performance in frontal and side impacts, and finally assess restraint systems and airbag coverage. Pay attention to vehicle size and weight, as they influence force distribution, and consider standard versus optional safety tech when weighing protection and real-world survivability for typical drivers and passengers. Smaller cars like the Focus tend to absorb energy differently than an Explorer, which benefits from greater mass and height. Consider how that affects occupant loading. Evaluate roof strength, side intrusion, and bumper alignment in offset impacts and pedestrian scenarios. Remember that a higher center of gravity raises rollover odds, while better structural cages and reinforced pillars reduce cabin deformation. Balance these factors against driver assists and braking capability to judge real-world safety. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I know to make more content like this. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks that last. They feel great in long drives and come with a lifetime warranty, which is perfect when you care about durability as much as safety. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Review equipment lists closely because safety depends on what is actually fitted, not just the model name. An Explorer may include more robust active safety suites as standard, while a Focus might offer similar tech only on higher trims. Consider automatic emergency braking, forward collision warnings, and lane assist as crash avoidance tools that change outcomes before impact. Also evaluate testing results for child occupant protection and seat anchorage stability for family use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.